Hi, I'm Sean and I'm from the Teen Advisory Board, partnered with Howard County Library System, and today we are going to be learning about how to get input from Java. And so the first thing you want to do is type in import java.util.scanner. And so what this does is it imports a module called scanner, and basically what a module is it's a set of pre-written code from people who created this language to simplify certain processes such as getting input from users. So coders like us don't have to deal with creating an entirely new uh, class for getting input from the user. It's just pre-written, so it makes it easier for us. And so the next thing we want to do is determine what kind of information we want from the user. So in this case, I want to get the age from the user. So it would be an integer. So I'm going to create an int variable or an age variable. And the second thing we want to do is prompt the user. So we just want to print something, how old are you? And then you're going to create the funnel for the variable. In my analogy, I say that variables are like boxes, and if you want to get something into the box, and it's a closed box, for example, you would need to create a funnel. And this is what the scanner class does. It basically lets the user put stuff into the funnel, which transports it into the box. So we're going to create a scanner object. This is the same way you create any other variable. So the type of variable, like I did here with int, in this case it's called scanner. And then you want the name of the scanner. So you can name this whatever you want. It's typically called scan. And then I'm going to do this syntax that's called new scanner. And then you want to specify where it gets the data from, which is the system.in. And basically what this means is that it gets its information from the console from the system. The console right here when you launch the program. Okay, so we created the funnel and we also created the prompt. And now what we're going to do is set the age equal to whatever the funnel accepts. So we're going to do age equals scan, and then you just press dot, and here we go, we have next int, and this is how you get an integer. So whatever the user types after the prompt is going to set that value equal to the age. And then we can do something that tells the user that it knows we got the information. So we could be like, wow, you're, and then we could do age. So let's launch the program. So let's say 20. It says, wow, you're 20. So this is how you get information from the user. And also you might notice this weird scan is never closed. This is not really necessary, but you can do it to calm your mind or something, whatever. So what you do is you do scan close, and basically this stops the scanner from being active after this line of code. And so this is how you get integers. You can also do it for strings, doubles, pretty much any form of input. So I'll do the same thing. So I'll go over the process one more time, but quickly. So what we do is I want my name, string name, and then we're going to create a scanner object. And then we want the prompt. And the next thing we want to do is set the name and use the funnel. And then for strings, you just have to do next. And then we want to tell the user that we got their name. Your name, very good movie. Plus name Then we could just compliment them like, this is a cool name. So, and then we can close the scanner. And then we save, and then we launch. So what is my name? Sean. And then Sean is a cool name. We got add the space one more time. So that's an example of how to get information from a scanner from the user. And yeah, I hope this helped you understand how to get input from the user in Java. Thank you.